Okay, so I'm staying at the Green Mountain Suites Hotel in Vermont, in Burlington. This is the room. It's actually really nice. There's like a kitchen area over here and a dining area. Down here is the living area spot. And it's December, so it's really just beautiful and snowy and cold and Christmassy everywhere. But yeah, so this is the kitchen area. In here is the bedroom. It's a king size bed. Again, more Christmassy stuff outside. It's really quiet as well, so that's nice. Big mirror. Bathroom, there's a bath. Again, there's the vanity. So yeah, so it's a big room and it's really nice and it's really affordable too. It's in Burlington in Vermont. I'm gonna go and do a video downstairs in a bit. It has like this big open fire and it's really pretty. All right.